Good day, guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good. So in today's market forecast, we're going to be looking at US30, Nasdaq, GU, and gold. So we won't be going through but what we explained on last week on Sunday, and then like what happened during the week, because that's what we covered on Friday's session. So you can just watch that. We uploaded yesterday. You can just watch that video, just like to see which trades we managed to take during the week, and how the market reacted also, So let me just start and get into this video so that we can keep the video short. So we just recently broke his previous lows, yeah. So, and we also have price coming back to this resistance. So what I can expect now is for price to continue dropping, right? Maybe until, yeah. So this is going to be the area of my the area of interest, or the psychological number here, which is sorry, this area here. That's going to be an area of interest for me. Yeah, 38,000. So we can still, I'm expecting price to continue pushing down. Yeah. So break and retest to these areas. That's what I want to be looking at on GU. My bias is sell on GU. So that's going to be it on GU. Let's go to Nasdaq. Nas 100. Nasdaq. Let's choose Nasdaq. Okay, on Nas 100. So what is this Friday setup? What we were discussing. So on Nasdaq, we currently have new highs. Just quickly, yeah. This week we hit new highs, and we just broke here, and now price is currently coming around this areas, which we retested on Friday. We still have a bullish momentum here. You can still expect price to continue to the upside. Just see on 1 hour what's there for us that we can work with. Let's just see there. Smoke this one, yeah. Okay, yeah. So if we break this area, here, price might push further to the downside. But this is going to be a waiting game for me on Monday. At least I will expect at least like Asia to do some movement, maybe to continue pushing price down, and see how we're going to react here to continue with the bullish momentum. So for now, on Nasdaq, just wait on Monday or market open if you won't be sleeping, for price at least to kind of like do its thing, like show you what's going to be doing, because this area might hold for price to push back up to these highs. So let's wait, and then if we break to the downside, by now that we're just looking for a break and retest, and then we sell the market, right? So just wait for structure to show you or to give you something to work with, so that you can be able to take those trades. So that's gonna be it on Nasdaq. We're expecting for price to pull back to these areas, and then we can start seeing some signs to buy, maybe rejections, confluence with your other patterns that you look at, and then we start looking for market to buy until 15,180. Yeah, so that's what we can expect. And also just see this, which numbers, yeah, let's go back to 4 hour. Yeah. So Nasdaq, there guys, you have it. Let's wait for price to come back here before we can start buying this market. Okay, let's wait for price to push back, and then we can start buying here, and then we push the upside, right? Just make sure your TP is here, and then, or if you want to be like holding this trade, you can just wait. If price continues, just keep on trailing your stop loss, guys, you know, so that sorry there, just keep on trailing your stop loss while we're moving to the upside. So Nasdaq, we're looking for buys. I'm looking for buys. And then, but if structure changes and give me a sign for a sell, and then I'm not going to be looking for a sell. Okay, I'm gonna try to look at Nasdaq a lot this week so that we can be able to like update you guys all the time. Okay, okay, now let's go to US30. Go to US30. Now I have that covered. Okay, US30, it was a nice week for the US30. You know, last week we had this area here which we took advantage of. You know, we have this area here. I just put my line there because that's what we're buying and selling. And this week we broke this area to the downside. There's something that we discussed regarding what you do when price breaks a range on the Friday session. So you can just go and watch that video. There is some like informative the word, but some good what is it, suggestions or ideas or things that you can use also, you know, that can help you also improve your trading style. Because we were asking each other questions, and then I also learned something a lot from the others. So just don't forget to watch that video so that you can be able to understand what happened. So now, okay, so we came back. I was expecting price to break these areas. I think second, yeah. When was the second? Yeah. I was expecting maybe on Monday to break these highs. I was in a hurry for this price to break, but now we currently broke to the downside, which was these lows here, and then now this is violated. Let's take this out. So what we can expect on US30, symbol structure, we just broke. We have a new higher high, you know, higher highs and higher lows. That means we're in a bullish market. So now what we're expecting for price is to do what? Is to move to the downside, you know, like pull back and give us a price to work with. Another area that you guys can look at for price to come and reject it is this area here, you know, and then you can start looking for buys. And then we start looking for buys, you know. When are we going to looking for sells? When we are given structure to work with. If not, then we are not taking any sells. But for now, we're going to be taking buys. So these are going to be the two areas that I'm going to be looking at on US30. You know, keep it simple and easy. And now let's go to gold. Gold. Okay, gold. This was a nice setup. We covered a lot on gold this week on our Friday session. We covered a lot. So as you guys can see, we have our resistance there that held, and then price dropped. We had our support that was here on this range, and now we have this area here where gold is currently at. So it's kind of obvious that now we are going to get maybe price continue dropping to the downside, you know, and then giving us signs to do what? To buy the market. You know, are we gonna buy until here? We don't know. But let's first see how price is going to react here. Because now price came but didn't tap in this area. It doesn't have to come back and tap here. But let's just pay attention to what price will be doing around here. You know? And also we broke these lows, meaning that we're waiting for what? We're waiting for a lower high. So we can get a mini consolidation that's, and then push price up, and then we start looking for sells. So on gold, let's wait on Monday. I know some of you might want to buy gold which it is now, since you also buy the lows, but the structure allow us to buy from here. We have these lows, so that's why I'm saying that let's wait for price to react, give us something to work with, and then we buy the market. Because these are a couple of pips. Let me just see, plus minus 300 pips. So you can get a nice 1 to 2 trade there. So let's wait for price to react here. Let's not jump in on Monday and start looking for buys. Let's wait for price to react. If we miss this, move to the upside, and then let's see how price is going to react in this resistance, right? And then that's where we're gonna be. That's where we're gonna be looking for our what? For ourselves, and then we can push this price to the downside, or maybe to these lows. So that's gonna be it on gold. We're waiting for what? For price to come back, like to give us signs here, and then we can start looking for buys, and also expecting for price to react around these areas, and then we start looking for sells. And we just have these equal lows. We just broke this low, so let's wait for a lower high. Let's wait for a lower high, and then to be formed a retest in these areas. So that's what we're going to be looking for on gold. As you guys can see, we have this bearish momentum. So that's why I'm gonna be confident in taking sells than buys on gold, right? I'm gonna be confident on taking sells than buys on gold, but I'm not gonna sell here, right? But then if price breaks and then come and retest these areas, then I want to start looking for sells. So for now, let's wait for gold to do its thing. Let's wait for gold to do its thing and then give us signs that, okay, cool, now it's about time to enter. So that's going to be it on our today market focus. It's US30, we're looking for buys, right? Nasdaq, we're looking for buys. Yeah, we're looking for buys on Nasdaq also. And then GBPUSD, we're looking for sells. And then gold, we're looking for sells. But then gold will look for sells, and there's an opportunity for a buy, right? So let's wait to see. Let's wait for price to give us something to work with. And then if price changes direction and give us the signs of the opposite of what we're looking for in the market, take it. Don't hesitate. As long as everything that you're looking for, it's there, it's shown. Don't create your own stuff. Just wait for the market to show you what's happening. Wait for the market to give you signs. Don't create your own signs, because now you're gonna get hurt. So that's so this week, the start of this week is gonna be a waiting game for me. But I'm gonna on US30, just wanna quickly show you something. US30, this drop to the downside, it's very tempting for me. So that's something that I might take. That's something that I might take. But let's see. Let's see. We can even get price to push the upside. But let's see. I'm gonna wait. Let's wait for price to do its thing. Okay, so if price doesn't give us the trade that we're looking for, the buys on US30, buys on Nasdaq, and sells on GU, and then sells on gold, and buy. There's a mini buy. It's more like a short trade buy on gold, but I want to be confident in taking sells. So if price, if the market changes direction, I'm gonna update you guys. So don't forget to join our public group. That's where we're gonna be sending updates regarding the pairs that we're gonna be looking at, and we're also gonna be sharing more content there. This coming week, we also have a surprise for you guys in the maybe by Friday. We're gonna announce that on Friday, on a Friday session. So don't miss it. make sure to join our public group. The link will be shared below. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for watching our content and supporting us. Cheers.